Pap ngayong araw, birthday na ng kambal, birthday na pala ng kambal. Everybody, birthday na pala ng kambal. Joyous anniversary AJ, joyous anniversary Alex, or bon anniversary AJ, bon anniversary Alex. Nakita ko lang siya sa Google, translate ko siya, tapos I imitated the pronunciation or phonemes. Phonemes, phonology, English. And I don't know if that's the right one, but I only know the right one, the truth, the life, and the way is Jesus Christ. Sabi yan sa John 14 verse 16. 6 lang pa. And hello po kay Tito, Tita, Ella, Marga, if nanonood man po kayo. Diyan sa France. Hello fans. Hello my fans. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Kambal! God bless you po!
Have fun!
Happy birthday, Ate Alex and Ate AJ.
Hi, Alex and AJ! Happy birthday! Dalagan-dalaga na kayo talaga, 18. Ganyan, I miss you, I love you.
Happy birthday, ate!
Happy 18th birthday, Kambal. I miss you guys so much and I love you. Sana you're doing well and good luck on your studies. May God bless you.
Hi Ates! Happy birthday po! I wish you po good health and more birthdays to come po. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. I hope to see you soon. God bless!
Happy birthday, Agent Alex. Happy 18th. Happy legality. Same birthday wishes as before. Good health, happiness, and success in life. May you have a wonderful journey in Paris. I know you guys will encounter a lot of challenges, but I know that at the end of it, it will be worth it. If you guys are graduating like us, advance, happy graduation sa atin. College life is entering. May we all be successful in life. Maybe 5 to 6 years from now, we will be in the profession that we once dreamed of. And yeah, we miss you guys. Happy birthday and love you.
Hi sis! Happiest 18th birthday to the both of you. Sana makauwi na kayo here sa Philippines para makabanding na tayo ulit together with our other friends. And yeah, just enjoy your life out there. And I hope na the Eiffel Tower is as bright as both of you, your personality, your smile, and that every street you walk on there feels like a movie made just for the two of you. Yeah, sana makasama na namin kayo soon and ingat palagi dyan. Love you guys.
Birthday, Alex. Happy birthday, AJ. Congrats kasi you survived another year. I hope that this year brings the both of you happiness and everything that you've been praying for. And sana yung birthday nyo ay punong-puno ng katuwaan at ng kasiyahan. And may this year bring surprises, many surprises for the both of you in the best way possible. I wish that I was there celebrating with you guys. And I hope that we see each other again soon. Very soon. Sana. That's all. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day as much as you can. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Alex and Ate AJ. Grabe, miss na miss ko na kayo, pero dalagang-dalaga na kayo. So dati parang mga bata lang tayo naglalaro, nanonood ng TV. Pero ngayon, I'm really proud of the woman you're becoming. So ang gaganda nyo na inside and out. And as you enter this new chapter, hindi madali ang adulthood, pero alam kong kayang-kaya nyo yan. Make memories, and also it's okay to make mistakes. Don't trash life. Don't let anything to pressure you into becoming someone you're not. And also, stay kind, stay strong. Alam ko, sobrang proud sa inyong dalawa ni nanay ngayon. And I'm sure she's happy seeing you two reach this milestone. And dalhin niyo yung love na tinuro niyo sa atin dati. And I hope to see you both soon. Miss na miss ko na kayo. And kahit saan kayo pumunta, saan kayo dalhin ng life, never forget to pray. Keep God at the center, especially when things get confusing or overwhelming. So, happy 18th birthday. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Alex and Ate EJ. Happy 18th birthday. You know how much I love you. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. And miss na miss ko na kayo. And alam niyo naman na lagi ko kayong pinagpe-pray. Ang lahat ng dinidesire ng puso nyo. I know na si Lord ibibigay yun His perfect time. Sa tamang oras, sa tamang pagkakataon. Lahat ng kahilingan nyo, ng prayers nyo, ng desires nyo, ibibigay yan ni Lord. Yun, kaya, yan, magpatuloy lamang kayo sa kung ano yung naumpisahan nyo, and stay, na yung faith natin, yan lagi, panghawakan natin sa Panginoon. Yan, I love you so much, mga ate.